Good morning. It's Wednesday, day 33 of my exercises. I talked yesterday about being on, a little under 1,000 calories a day for this week. It comes to 940 calories to be exact. And there's no way to know exactly that every single sausage patty I eat is 210 calories and every bun is exactly 100. It's still a rough estimate, but I'm going by the labels and it's 940 calories. I'm not feeling hungry. Remember, my baseline was 1,350 calories. That was to maintain my weight before I started exercising. I've lost inches after I started exercising. I've lost inches. I've gained weight at 1,350 calories. So I'm cutting to 940 calories. And, we'll see what happens. But so far, I've done my first 2 workouts already. I did them off camera. I never take off my watch unless I'm on camera. Don't ask me why. I just think it doesn't look good on camera. I mean, to have a watch on. It makes people think you're paying attention to the time, which I don't. But you can see I never take my watch off. It stays on my wrist unless I'm taking a shower. It's a very nice watch. So I take it off when I'm in the shower, but other than that, it stays on my wrist 23 and a half hours a day. So I take it off when I'm working out on camera, just because I know that the light glints off of it. It's distracting is what it is. When I watch the videos and I see the light glimmering off the watch and it distracts me from watching the video. So I always take the watch off. But anyway, I'm at 940 calories. I corrected that in text yesterday. I said 920, but it's actually 940 in that area. We're going to keep going this week and see what we can do. This is workout number 3. I hate doing my 3rd workout on camera because if the camera fails or the mic fails or whatever, the video, I just can't. I would have to do a 4th workout and I'm not ready for that yet. But I've been able to do both of my first workouts without setting the weights down at all. We're going to try that on the 3rd one again. I'm getting better, I'm getting stronger, and I don't have to put the weights down as often. So we're going to do the 3rd workout. Here we go. Again, just because I can grip this weight better makes it easier for me to do this. Third workout's always the hardest. 3rd workout's always the hardest one. Go ahead and do my crunches while I'm here. I might have to set the weights down. We'll see. That burn. Reposition my hands. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. 3rd workout. Always the hardest one. Last workout for the morning. Okay, Wednesday, day 33. I can do all 3 workouts, 5-minute rest in between, not setting the weights down during the routine. I have progressed a lot. My next goal is to shorten my rest period and try to get to about 2 or 3 minutes of rest in between. And when I get to that point, then I can do all 3 sets on camera for you, so you can see that progression without me just making a video of 1 workout and then saying this is what I'm doing. So stick with me. Eventually, and all of this takes time, guys. Doesn't happen overnight. Progression takes time. You have to be patient with yourself. That's one of the reasons I'm doing all this on camera, so people have a better understanding. Progression takes time. You're not going to start with doing some curls and the next thing you're doing 50 curls. Somebody asked me why I don't use lighter weights. These are 40s. I've already showed that on camera once. I'll show you again. These are 40s. Don't know how well you can see that. And yes, they're real. As you can hear, they're real weights. They're not fake. These are 20s. This is what I was going to start with in the beginning. And let me show you. Okay, I think you get the point. I'm not going to stand here all day with 20-pound weights. 40s are exponentially heavier. I started with 5 reps of each exercise. You know what? I'm not even going to go into detail. I'm not going to explain everything. It's all on video. Click the playlist over here if you're new and watch my journey from the very beginning so that I don't have to spend 20 minutes explaining everything. It's right there. Click it. In the meantime, thank everybody for subscribing. I love you. I will see you tomorrow.